Okay, so I'm on the side of the road and I noticed I'm losing air. I came here and air was going through this hole. So we just have a snap ring here. A snap ring. Take it off. Make sure you get all the air from the system out. Otherwise it's gonna blow and it's very harmful. There's another one. I replaced the O-ring. Sorry for the noise. I'm under the truck. I replaced the O-ring and it's good. Now this one, I'm gonna have to change the whole assembly. This one, I have it with me. So let's do it. I don't have a stand for the phone, so I'm not gonna show how to remove it because it's barely one snap ring here and it comes out. Be careful how you take it out. Remember how to put it back in. Okay, so this is what I have. Sorry for the noise. We got the air dryer. We got O-ring, a big washer, another O-ring, a small O-ring, another washer, and the plunger. Between the spring, there's O-rings, and then the cup and the snap ring. So this is what it came out of mine, like this. So it goes O-ring, it goes O-ring first, and then it goes this, the washer, and then another O-ring, O-ring, and then this, see it's got an O-ring here and a rubber here. This is what I mean if I put this. This is an O-ring, it goes here. It's an O-ring, it goes on top, and another rubber seal, it goes on the bottom here. Right here is an O-ring. Sorry guys, I'm under the truck on the side of the road. And there you go, O-ring here, which is this one, and another seal here. Okay. I am going to show you how to put it back. I have a new one. That's the old snap ring. That's an O-ring. That's a washer. That's a washer. It's an O-ring. A plunger. This goes on top, and another washer. It's inside. I mean, must be other videos on YouTube of how to, but this is not a how to. This is literally on the side of the road. Okay, I'm gonna go check for another one. I have an old cup that I can look at. If you can see, this one, it's got this. You cannot see through. On mine, you can see through. So that means you tell me if you see the difference. Okay, so yep, this is the problem. I'm gonna see if I have another one. We'll go from there. Because on this one is broke, which is shouldn't be a problem. But we'll see. Let you know. Okay, this is what I have. This is what I need. And mine was fucked up. So we got here the whole kit. The O-rings. Make sure you loop the O-ring, put it in. I know it's kind of hard with one hand. This is what I meant. Look at this. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this and I'm gonna come back and explain everything the way it goes in. Okay, so this is how it sits now. You can see these two ends, they're not touching anymore. I mean, it wasn't touching before, but once it goes in, this side and this side. Okay, so I have it on. Make sure after you put the snap ring in, go with the screwdriver, hammer, and hammer around until it sits in his groove over there. As you can see, mine, it's not all the way. So once you start it in good pressure, it will pop out. So yeah, this cap was missing on mine. So I was missing there. Okay, I will show you how it looks like. But this is before, and we'll see after that. Okay, I fixed it. Build the air. It popped out. Everything is okay. Sorry for the quality. As I said, this is what broke on mine. See, even this one doesn't have one. So, yeah. By the way it goes, these shoes are already flat. Make sure you put a lot of grease on this one, on the O-rings, because it will have to stick on the bottom of the air dryer and it will hold. So you put this one first, like this, and then this one goes into this one. One hand, see? Okay, so this one, as you can see, it's got a lip here. This lip, it goes down because it sits on the rubber seal. This one, sorry, like this. And then you put the O-ring first, and then this, make sure you put the O-ring here at the end, the seal here you put it, because they come separate. And then come this part. And that's what I noticed on my old one. So this is the old one. You see this washer is thinner than this. It's thinner. So this washer was inside this one, the cup. Then you lubricate the O-ring and you put it on top on this one, because it's got a groove here too, so where the seals, the O-ring sits. And this one, and then you put the spring inside, and then this washer goes on this one. So this actually goes like this, and the O-ring. Inside the air dryer there's a groove for the O-ring, and on the bottom you put a snap ring. Make sure you push this one harder up the air dryer and twist it, and it will hold. And with a good set of snap ring pliers for this one, and after you are sure that the snap ring is on, go with a screwdriver and a hammer and hammer it around. Make sure the snap ring sits in his place. Yeah, I mean, as long as you have the part, you are safe. But I guess if I had to call the road service, I had to wait a few hours maybe, and I will probably it will be expensive. So yeah, guys, it's a lot of bucks here. So this is it. Yeah, instantly I was losing pressure, air, and I pulled over everything I had. So I'm gonna go online and buy a few more kits for this one so I can have it for the next time. See ya.